The newest and coolest way to share your Spotify listening habits is called Icebergify. Want to see your own iceberg? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to see and share your Spotify iceberg. Now let's get started. To begin creating your Spotify iceberg, open your smartphone browser and go to Icebergify.com. We'll leave a link in the description box below. Then tap Create Yours. Log into your Spotify account. Now tap Agree to allow Icebergify to access your listening history. Once that's done, Icebergify will create your own personalized Spotify iceberg. The iceberg sorts your music taste based on popularity. The artists you listen to that are the most mainstream popular ones will be at the top of the iceberg, and the further down you go, the less mainstream and more niche and indie artists you listen to will be. To share your own Spotify iceberg on your social media, save the iceberg image that Icebergify created for you, or take a screenshot of it. Then you can share it on whatever social media platform you like. I'm posting mine on my Instagram story. Use the hashtag Icebergify if you want to make it easy for other people to find. That's all it takes to create and share your own Spotify iceberg. Which artists are on your iceberg? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.